Good afternoon. I am Vernon Darby. The following is Bulletin 45, issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, October 27, 2025 at 1400 hours Eastern Standard Time. A hurricane warning remains in effect for Jamaica as powerful Hurricane Melissa, now moving west-northwestward over the Caribbean Sea south of the island, and is expected to turn northward later today. At 1 p.m., the center of Hurricane Melissa was located near latitude 16.5 degrees north, longitude 78.3 degrees west. This is 230 kilometers southwest of Kingston, or 181 kilometers south of Bluefields in Westmoreland, Jamaica. Melissa is moving toward the west-northwest near 6 kilometers per hour. A slow turn towards the northwest and north is expected today and tonight, followed by a further turn to the northeast at a faster forward speed on Tuesday. On the forecast track, the core of Melissa is expected to start moving over Jamaica tonight and early Tuesday. Maximum sustained winds are near 280 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Melissa is a Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Some fluctuations in intensity are likely before Melissa makes landfall on Jamaica as an extremely powerful major hurricane on Tuesday. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 45 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward 315 kilometers. Data from Jamaica's Doppler radar show that outer bands of Hurricane Melissa have been moving over mainly southern and eastern sections of Jamaica since Sunday evening and producing periods of light to moderate rainfall. Hurricane Melissa is expected to produce rainfall amounts reaching 350 to 750 millimeters over parts of Jamaica in the next couple of days, especially over central and eastern parishes, with high amounts over hilly terrain. Catastrophic flash floods and landslides are likely. Tropical storm conditions are expected to spread over Jamaica today, and hurricane conditions are expected to begin tonight or early Tuesday. Life-threatening storm surge, accompanied by large and destructive waves, is likely along the south coast of Jamaica tonight and on Tuesday, peaking at 9 to 13 feet above ground level near and to the east of where the center of Melissa makes landfall. Small craft operators, including fishers on the Keys and Banks, are strongly advised to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the progress of Hurricane Melissa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on the system will be issued at 5 p.m. today. Please note that hurricane warning means that the following dangerous effects of a hurricane are expected to affect Jamaica within 36 hours or less. Dangerously high water, or a combination of dangerously high water and exceptionally high waves, even though winds expected may be less than hurricane force. Average winds 119 kilometers per hour or higher. That was Bulletin 45, issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Good afternoon.